thought it would be fun to add some lettering to this. I recently had a commission that the people asked me to put some script in a painting. So in watercolor, that can be pretty dang difficult because the white of the paper is the white, and if you want white script, you can't just paint over the top of it very successfully. I tried using acrylic, and it doesn't come out as crisp and bright as I was hoping, but I came close with a couple of different things, and I haven't actually tried the one I'm going to show you today, but I really want to see how this works. So what I have is white graphite paper. Let's see. You can get graphite paper in different colors. I have the pencil, graphite, the traditional graphite, but this is it's by Saral, and this is white, and you can get blue, yellow, and red. So they all work on different surfaces in different ways. So for instance, the yellow says it's good for reverse work and works well on metal. So red is easily seen on dark or light surfaces, fires out of ceramics. And the white is what I chose, good for reverse work and works well on dark fabrics. But I chose the white to use on this watercolor painting. So I found a quote that I thought was fun concerning the moon. And I just went into Pages on my computer and printed out what I felt was going to be a good size. So what I'm going to do is kind of see where I want that. And it should be kind of in there. So let's see if I can, I'm just going to tape that white graphite over. And I want to tape it down so it doesn't slide around on me. And I've got I probably should use a harder lead. That's a 2B, but I just, for the life of me, I don't know what it is. I can't find my drawing pencils, my set of drawing pencils. And that is so funny because I'm an artist. Where are my pencils? I have all kinds of stuff, but not pencils. Okay, so let me see. I think maybe about right there might work. So bear with me as I trace over, as I go over the top of these with my pencil. And I've got it nice and sharp, so I'm going to press fairly hard. It feels loose. It is, actually. Let me grab another one. Hang on. So the lead was kind of loose in that pencil. So I'm just going to trace over the top of all of these letters, and I just picked a font that looked kind of fun. So what this is going to do is put a white print on my painting, and then I can go over it with, with this pen. I'll show you that in a minute. And that is a pretty good, effective way of getting light over this dark color. So the commission I did was actually a lighter value than this, so I'm thinking that it's going to really show up well on this dark painting. You know, when we get commissions, or when we get asked to do commissions, sometimes there are things that we just can't do, and maybe we shouldn't accept them, but then there's times that maybe this is a learning experience. Maybe I can use this in future paintings. And, you know, so I'm happy that I was given the idea and the opportunity to figure out how to make something work, how to problem solve and get this commission for this couple for their Christmas gift they want to give. So, and this is a quote, I don't know how to say this name, Wang Wei maybe? So now I'm just going to pull that up, and you can see I've got the script. That's pretty cool, right? So this is the, where's the name? Molotow, One for All acrylic, and it's white, and it's a 1 mil. So I'm just going to get all set up here. It's a good idea to kind of prime it a little bit, get that ink flowing. One thing that I know is a little bit hard is that the paper sometimes catches the little pin tip. So I have to be aware of that, and I'm just going to go right over the top of my white graphite and just carefully put that script on there. I love that I can do this. On an original, you know, it's possible to go have print put on a print, but not on a original, so that's pretty cool. And this pen works really well. They come in different sizes, different colors, but I wanted white script. And the first way I tried it, and it's really tough to do, is by using masking fluid. But that's also super hard because it doesn't always go on, and I forgot to put the little line in my A, didn't I? It's okay, easy enough. The masking fluid doesn't always go on super smooth either, and when you peel it off, you don't always have crisp edges. So this is another way to achieve script on a dark painting. And it'll probably dry a little bit lighter, but I think we get the idea. And I can go over it again if I want to. All right. And I think I will go over it one more time. But I'm going to let it dry a little bit, maybe. If I can do it without sticking my hand in it, that would be good. And this is pretty small script. I could have just wanted it to fit on here without being gigantic. Okay, so there's my cool quote, "The bright moon glows amongst the pines," and it sure does. And also I could come with this pen and kind of sharpen up some of the lines here too. That would be kind of fun addition to this painting. I was trying to, you know, leave some light area. So this is a really cool way to add even more. Add a little bit over here too. Maybe a little here. That's not going to show up too much because it's too close to the brightness of the moon. Oh well. All right, so that's a pretty fun project. I hope you guys try this. It's really pretty simple, little round cup and a lot of paint. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to share more with you, and I plan to be putting more videos up as time marches on. So take care, you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See ya on the next video. Bye.